While trying to sand some cutting boards I recently made, I found myself in need of some cloth-backed sandpaper. And I haven't seen it in 100 grit or 220 grit. I'm sure it's out there, but I didn't have time to get it, so I made my own. I put down a layer of duct tape on the back of this 220 sheet, cut it along the line there, and folded it in half. It worked like a charm. I'll use this hack again. I store my sandpaper in this old dresser, and I've got my disc here. These are miscellaneous, aberrant paper, I think is how you say it. I love these from Lee Valley. They're great for holding edges, and this is where I keep all my Restore sandpaper. This is a piece of packing foam. It's got some give to it, and I'm gonna cut a circle out here. Use this little Sureform tool just to round it off some more. That's what I'm going to call good enough. So put down some newspaper. But this is the hook part of Velcro. And I'm going to roughly cut what I need here. So I think that'll cover it. So I've got my little HDX multi-purpose spray adhesive. Give that a few minutes to get tacky. Now that I've got myself a real mess here, I'm wishing I would have put on some rubber gloves. I'll start in the middle. Now I've got the fuzzy part. All right, you'll see where this is going in a minute. Probably have already guessed. And a couple minutes for that to tack up. All right, it's tacky. Start in the middle again. And I'm going to let this dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. That's the density of it. Now that this glue has set up, I can attach this to my sanding pad. I am going to lose my dust collection on this. And then I can attach that to here. And that's going to allow me to sand some edges. This foam pad is even squishier, which I like. And I also like to have a handle to hold on to. So all I'm going to do is round this one off. And I like these little waves, but I've had these so long that the sticky part or the Velcro part came off the back, so I can no longer use this as a power sander. However, since this is free, I'm going to directly glue this over the edge here. And again, I'm going to give that a few minutes to tack up. This is a wrist rest from an old computer, and with this one, it's very similar to this one, and I'm going to keep it about the same length. I'll put a little glue on here. This is already set up. Make sure I get the right side up. Well, maybe it's not set up. Patience, my friend, patience. The glue is set up on this. I can use one of the Wood Wonders pads here. And this gives me a nice grip and easy to maneuver, or I can use one of the waves. Same concept.